possible that your degree is not recognized, then you have either way to opportunity to go on and get it approved. That process is going to take a while. But hello and welcome back. I'm Raoul from Find a Job in Germany, and I'm today here with my partner Tammo. How are you doing? Guys, we want to talk about how to check if your university degree is recognized in Germany. We have been asked that quite often, and that's why we want to show you how you can do that digitally. Let's jump in. Tammo, what do you first of all need in order to check if your university is recognized here in Germany?
Yeah, firstly, you go on this site. We share the link below this video, and then we have one example. We take a degree. Let's check from Comstat University in Pakistan. So we go here. We check for institutions, and then we click on Suchen. Then we check for Pakistan, and then we look for So it's here already. Let's assume I've been studying at the Comstat University Islamabad. So I click here on the plus sign, then this field's open for me, and then I see that this university is recognized. It has the H plus sign. That is a good sign.
So H plus is needed, yeah?
H plus is needed for the university.
So if it's not H plus, then it means it's not recognized.
Then it's not recognized, and you need to get it recognized from ZAB. We can link you the ZAB site as well. You need to approach them. Then it takes a couple of months to do that. But most bigger universities are recognized. Then you have a look at the Abschlüsse, like the degrees, and then you can see I studied Bachelor of Science in Telecommunication and Networking, so I click on that. So I can see here it means entspricht, and entspricht means it is recognized. You can do a printout of those two things and
bring it to your visa appointment.
Bring it to your visa appointment. That is usually enough. Let us do one other example. Let's assume from
India.
From India, yeah. I studied maybe at the Anna University in India. So what I do is I click on institutions. Then I open the Länderauswahl, which means the country. I click here, Indian. I have to remove Pakistan. Then I click on Indian. Then I look for Anna University. And I see this university here in Chennai. It's also mentioned H+, so I can take the printout, and this is recognized. So here I don't see any degrees. So what I need to do in this case, let's assume I have been studying a Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication. In this case, I can also only check for my degree type. Yeah, so I click on Hochschulabschlüsse here on the top left. Then I click to the far right, Suche nach Abschlusstypen. So again, Indian is open. It's a 4 years bachelor, so I click here on the 4 years. It opens for me. And what does it say? It says here, entspricht. So, and this is valid for those types of bachelor, yeah, bachelor, and the engineering, Bachelor of Engineering is also mentioned here. So I click on here, and I take this printout to my visa appointment together with the H+ from the university, and this is enough for me to prove that my degree or my university degree is recognized in Germany.
Good. That means check out Anabin. Anabin is the platform where you can recognize all your degrees. Doesn't matter where you're from, okay? Bachelor's, master's, and so on. It is also possible that your degree is not recognized. Then you have either way to opportunity to go on and get it approved. That process is going to take a while. So if you are a software developer and you have you don't see that your degree is recognized here on Anabin, there are also other opportunities for you to get your visa in Germany, which are?
Yeah, basically you need to have more than 3 years of relevant work experience, and it also works. It can be taking a little bit more time because you need to get some other verifications, pre-approvals here in Germany. So ideally your university degree is recognized, but if not, don't panic. You can still get a visa.
Good. So as a software developer, if you don't have a degree, university degree, you can also get a job here in Germany. Don't miss that chance for you. Anything else, Tammo?
No, if you need help to get the job offer, which is precondition to get the visa, check our page, our video training, which you find below this video. Get in touch with us, and then we're gonna help you on your journey to Germany. See you soon. Bye bye.
Take care.